Hi, I'm Sherry Mize. Myself and two other instructors will be teaching the I Can Drive program. There are two different classes offered. One is for teen driver education, ages 15 to 17. The other is adult driver education, ages 18 to 22. Allow me to explain the differences. The teen driver education course is 4 weeks long and includes 32 hours of classroom instruction, 7 hours of driving practice, and 7 hours of driving observation with the goal of obtaining a learner's permit. The adult driver education course is 2 weeks long with the goal of completing 6 hours of classroom instruction, behind the wheel practice in order to get a driver's license. After the program is completed, they'll be able to take that driving test, hopefully pass and get that license. A great benefit of this program is communication access through a variety of methods, such as CART, oral communication support, personalized assistance, American Sign Language, and even one-on-one support for clarification if needed. We do this to meet the needs of all participants in supporting them to pass their driving test. Another awesome benefit is field trips to places such as junkyards, a car inspection location to learn how to register cars, and even in class we'll provide a drunk driving awareness workshop with goggles that simulate alcohol intoxication. Finally, the participants will learn about different navigation applications such as Guru and so many others. They'll also learn about the importance of car maintenance such as changing engine oil, rotating tires, and so much more. Don't forget to register. We'll see you there.